Hello there. Now it should be working properly. So what we have to do here, inside of this one, so this is the project root. So this should be pro project root slash, uh, that should be it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Hey, welcome to my stream. Hello there. So we are basically trying to build an application, a blog application by using Fast API here. Okay, so let's hop into chat. Hi there. Okay, so what exactly we are doing currently right now is this one. So Pydantic settings. This is the Pydantic settings module which we will be using here to basically create our settings. Okay, all right. So here, something like this. Mm-hmm. So what exactly we are doing? This settings class is inheriting from the base class here. Okay, and here we are getting the settings config dict. Mm-hmm. 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 The algorithm is HS256, which is standard for JWT. Okay. Mm-hmm. Hey, in case if you're having some sort of a question or just want to have a chat, please write down something inside of the comment section on the live chat here. Okay. All right. Let me just check it out here. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Now everything is good. Mm-hmm. Okay. Type ignore call arg. Okay, all right. Call R. Mm-hmm. Hello there. Can I add this one? Mm-hmm. Copy this one and paste it down here. So this is the secret key. Mm-hmm. code UTC and do the JWT import auth to password bearer. And then let's do from ewd lib import import password hash, and let me just add this one to your my workspace settings from dot config to settings. All right. Equals to auth to scheme. All right. Hello there, hello there, hello there. Okay. Verify password. Password hash dot verify hashed password. So in case if you are a little bit confused, so what exactly we are doing? We are basically making our utilities for hashing a password. So here we are basically doing the hashing of the password. So this hash password function gets a password and returns its hash. Okay, and the verify password is basically gets the plain password and the hashed password, okay, with the help of this particular secret key basically under the hood. So then we are just getting the verification if that particular password matches or not. Okay. And also basically the argon2, like this pwdlib argon2 generates a solved for every password hash, so we don't have to worry about that as well. So hashing is irreversible here. Mm. Okay. Uh, mm, mm. Hi there. Okay, so there it is. Okay, for a little bit more clarity, let's do this one. Hash the provided password. Okay, and this is verify the pass plain text password and the hash password. Okay, all right. And then let's do something like this. Now let's create the create access token function that create access token for a little bit more good authentication. We can do the refresh token as well, but currently right now it is totally fine. So create actions access token data that will be bit and expires. So here will be time delta or none, none, and by default it will be none. Okay, and that should return as all right. So let's create a JWT access token, access token. Okay, all right. So let's do to encode equals to data. First of all, let's copy the data. Okay, all right. Then if expires delta expire equals to date set time dot now. That should get the UTC time plus expires delta, else expire equals to datetime dot now UTC plus time delta minutes. That will be settings dot access token expired minute. In case if you are wondering, we can go here. Okay, so this is the setting. Okay, so from here we are getting this one, and inside of the .env file we can basically set this one as well. Okay, so this is basically that. Time to expire in minutes, access token expire minutes. Okay, now to encode dot update. Okay, so exp the expiration to the expired. All right, so encoded JWT JWT equals to JWT of this one. I have imported JWT, right? Yes, here it is. JWT dot encode. So to encode the data which we want to encode, settings dot, that will be secret key dot get secret value, otherwise we will be getting stars. Okay, and algorithm, that will be settings dot algorithm. Okay, and here we will return encoded JWT. All right, so this is our create access token function. Now let's add the verify access token as well. Class, not class, get verify access token. So we will need a token. It will be a string basically, and it will return a string or none. All right, so it will be verify by a JWT access token and return the subject, which is the user ID if valid. Otherwise it will return none. Okay, all right, so try, and let's do payload equals to JWT dot decode. Okay, and we have to do token, pass the token, then we have to add the key. So settings dot secret key dot get secret value. All right, then algorithms, which will be list settings dot algorithm, and options will be a dictionary require exp SUD. Okay, all right, so this is basically that. comma. Okay, let me just write it down. Accept jwt dot invalid token error. If that is the case, return none. Else, in case if you do not know what exactly try except else does, I have a dedicated video on that. Okay, so return payload dot get. Now what exactly is happening here? Okay, oh, I'm missing a comma here, right? And then that should be good. Okay, and what exactly you are telling? Unnecessary else after return. Remove the else and de-indent the code. Basically, what exactly it is saying? It is saying like, hey, we don't have to do that, and we can do something like this. Okay, but I would like to be a little bit more explicit. Okay, so what we'll do, I'll just do R1705. Hey, in case if you are watching, please write something inside of the live chat here if you are excited. All right. Okay. All right. All right. So this is our thing. So it is R1705. 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 So here R1705. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. So this is how we will be doing. Okay. Use 3. Hey there. I think we are having a guest. Hello there. Hello there. So basically, we are currently making an authentication system in FastAPI. Okay. So yeah. In case if you are watching, just write your name in the live chat if you are willing to do that, and let's hang out. Okay. Mm-hmm. Hi. Is my screen visible? Is my screen totally visible, or should I zoom in? Mm-hmm. Hello there. Hello there. Let me just zoom in a little bit. I think that will be a little bit more better. Mm-hmm. So here from the power to okay, right, but oh, from app to import create access token verify access token. Okay, but here okay, what scheme is this one? All right, all right. execute required email. Mm-hmm. Okay. So login for create user. Mm-hmm. Okay. So let's add this one. So at Walter post slash token response module that will be token. All right. Login for access token. Form data that will be annotated. So the passport request form becomes empty. All right. DB that will be annotated. Listening session becomes get DB. Right. User result equals to await. Await DB dot q select user where counter flavor user dot email Form data dot username of Lua. Okay, all right. Now user will be user result dot pillars first. Like that.